Hello everyone, welcome to Sugee Vlogs. Today's video is all about our road trip journey from Chennai to Mysore. Along the way, we'll be exploring Mysore, Coorg and finally Wayanad. So stay tuned till the end, and if you enjoy the journey, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.
We're on the Chennai to Kanchipuram road. Since road work is going on, there's a short diversion. We started our journey early, so we took a short tea break. On the Chennai-Bangalore highway. Sunrise has started and the morning mountains look amazing. After getting through the heavy traffic on Bangalore highways, we finally stopped for a nice breakfast.
nice road toll. 3000 rupee pass doesn't cover this one. Don't follow Google Maps from here. Take the flyover to get onto the Bangalore-Mysore highway. It's faster and avoids traffic. Finally reached Mysore. It took us around 9 to 10 hours. Hit subscribe for our Mysore Coorg adventures coming up. Thank you so much for watching this